Another day, another story. Hello everyone. Welcome to a dreamlike journey through the enchanting landscapes of Switzerland. I'm John Jackson, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this unforgettable adventure. Join me as we explore the breathtaking beauty, cultural gems, and charming cities that Switzerland has to offer. Zurich, the cosmopolitan metropolis. Our journey begins in Zurich, the bustling cosmopolitan heart of Switzerland. Known for its financial prowess and vibrant cultural scene, Zurich offers a perfect blend of modernity and tradition. Lucerne, a fairy tale city. Next up, we arrive in Lucerne, a fairy tale city nestled among the Swiss Alps. The Chapel Bridge, with its colorful flowers, is a sight to behold. Interlaken, gateway to adventure. Interlaken, the adventure capital of Switzerland, beckons with its adrenaline-pumping activities. Here, you can try paragliding, bungee jumping, or simply soak in the jaw-dropping scenery. Zermatt, home of the Matterhorn. Our next destination is Zermatt, a charming village tucked away in the mountains. The Matterhorn, standing tall and majestic, is a symbol of Switzerland's natural wonders. Geneva, a global diplomatic hub. Welcome to Geneva, a city with global significance as a diplomatic and humanitarian center. The Jet d'Eau fountain is an iconic landmark that adds elegance to the city's skyline. Montreux, a music lover's haven. Montreux, a haven for music lovers, welcomes us with open arms. The Montreux Jazz Festival has left its mark on this beautiful city, attracting artists and fans from around the world. Bern, a UNESCO World Heritage Gem. Our journey brings us to Bern, a city that feels like walking through history. The medieval Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a delight to explore. The Swiss Riviera Lavaux Vineyards. Our final stop takes us to the Swiss Riviera, where the Lavaux Vineyards paint the landscape with their terraced beauty. Here, we celebrate Swiss wine culture in all its splendor. Thank you for joining me on this captivating vlog tour of Switzerland. From its majestic Alps to its charming cities, Switzerland has left us in awe at every turn. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I did. If you're craving breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and adventure, Switzerland is the perfect destination for you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks for watching.